Va te faire enculer. Hello, what's up, guys? My name is Gelawash. It's my first time in English. For what I don't have video in English, I'm so noob. I don't have a big English. My English is very bad, but I'm a good player with the tap titles, and I think you need help for this. So I'm here for you. Uh, First time when you yeah, started in tap titles, I go to kick my person. I think. Wait, just I. Hop. Exclure, oui. Okay. Just I need to start it one more time for explicate for you. Okay. Imaginated you are in the world one. Okay. Up. You need one clan. Okay. Now it's possible for me to search here, but for the first player, you need to start here. Join a clan. So she have a full clan, okay, but this clan is not bad, but every time guys not playing, or I don't know, so you need to go here. Fuck no, you need to go here and enter Discord. It's my clan. It's very good for guys opening or started Tap Titan. Okay, she have two, me and me. Okay, I join. I'm in the clan now, and she have 100. Okay, 180. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 118. Okay, with this, it's a good help for you for kill more ad. Okay, now it's my max for prestige, so I go to prestige now. Okay, it's my second prestige. Okay, I have a relic. Comment on dit ça? Artifact. Relic. Okay, and you need very important this relic. When you started, you have one relic. The cost is one relic, and she you win one artifact, and you need to show the artifact. She have 78 artifact, so it's very difficult to choose. But when you started, you have salvage artifact is very low price, so you need to salvage other artifact for maximum artifact more after. And I have big luck. I have this artifact. It's very good for me, but for more help, I need to up this or this. But for now, I need to up this. Here, not necessary. For what? You don't need. She have good artifact, but for now, useless. So up, check. Ouais. And now, I don't understand English. Okay, it's very bad. Really, it's very bad. But no problem. Now you have this, so you need to have this. and this help 5% your damage on the relic multiplier. After you need to start with equipment, but you need to have your first yeah, you need to choose your first spec Sky Tree. Yeah. She have Rogue, Sorcerer, Warlord, Knight. Sorcerer for low level is very useless. Really, very useless. Don't choose this. And after you have Rogue. Rogue is not useless, but now not necessary. So you need to play with Warlord or Knight. Knight is active damage, so you need to tap every time. Okay. With the pet damage, you need the pet damage for more damage. Is only for Knight. For Warlord is passive damage. For what you have Master Commander qui she have damage in all merde in all hero, so you need to have just on stop 2 level and after 1 level here on the what I need to reach 300 level stage reached for up this, but the more power is Heroic Might. Heroic Might, she have Warcry damage up. Well, okay, sorry guys, so after I need to Google Traduction for more special explication, but for now it's really fast for explicated. When you started just up 2 points here, 1 point here, and the full here, 11 level for here. It's the must for the must of the must. And after, when you go in the 20 warlord level, you up 1 point in coordinated offensive and in 15 warlord level just deblocking and showing chat, but after it's really just here or here for no, just here guys. Seriously. Pues okay, I go here up apply. Here is not necessary for what I'm not active damage, I'm really passive, so I need to wait here. Okay, I don't up more, not necessary for me, just up here for damage more, but she look after. Okay. Okay guys, sorry for my English, very bad, but now I need to explicate. I need to speak with you for good good help for you, and for now is very bad, but I suppose she help you al maximum possible. Okay. Okay guys, so good luck and good tap, goodbye.